Dear students, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, based on the time zone at presently you are staying. First of all, I welcome all of you for our YouTube channel. You know very well, I am Selvamani Krishnamurthy, who is sitting in front of you. This is Data Science video lesson number 36. For the past few classes, we are studying data visualization. We studied line chart, then bar chart, then we studied histogram. So in this lesson, let us study how to create scatter plot or scatter chart for one data frame. That is what we are going to study in this lesson. As usual, I like to share my screen. I hope my screen is visible to all. Good. Okay. Lesson number 36. Topic is scatter plot on data frame. This is what our topic. How to create scatter chart on data frame. See, line chart already we completed, bar we completed, histogram we completed. Scatter plot. It shows relationship between two numerical variables. It plot points on XY grid. Each point represents a data pair. What are the supportive data types? Two numerical variables. Okay, let us study in depth. So scatter chart uses dot to represent the values obtained from two different numerical variables. That means we need two different numerical variables. From these two different numerical variables, one should be plotted on x-axis and other should be plotted on y-axis. Okay, each and every point are represented by dot. Scatter chart mostly used when you want to show the relationship between two variables. For example, height and weight, and sales and discount, like this. Scatter chart also called as correlation plot. What is the syntax? See, df data frame dot plot kind should be scatter. X should be x column or the variable mapped on x-axis. Y equal to y column or variable plotted on y-axis. So kind should be scatter. I hope it is clear to all. Now, let us see one scenario. Assume Selva is a one shopkeeper. He sells designer bags and wallet. During the sale season, just like Deepavali or Ramadan, during the sale season, he gave discount ranging from 10% to 50% over a period of 5 weeks. That means first week he gave 10% discount, second week he gave 20% discount, like this. He recorded his sales for each type of discount as follows. For example, first week he gave 10% discount to all products. He got 40,000 sales. Second week he gave 20% discount. He got 45,000 sales. Like this, 30, 48,000, 40, 50,000. At last week he gave 50% discount. So we got sales of 1 lakh rupees. This is what one details. Now our aim is we want to express or represent these details in scatter chart. This is what our action. We have two variables. One is discount, another one is sales. Both are numerical. Both are numerical. We need to see the correlation between discount and the sales using scatter chart. See, we have here one small program. See it here. Import numpy as np, mat import matplotlib.pyplot as plot. Now we are going to create one scatter plot from arrays. We are not using data frame. Let us study how to create scatter plot from data frame and future. Now we are going to study about scatter plot from arrays. I created two arrays, one for discount, another for sales. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, I stored in discount. 40,000, 45,000, 48,000, 50,000, 1 lakh, I stored as a sales. Now I have two numpy array. One is discount, another one is sales. Okay, fine. PLT dot scatter, because we want to create one scatter chart. If you are not using data frame, if you are using data frame, we will go for plot function. Okay, so PLT dot scatter x equal to x-axis. What is the variable plotted on x-axis? Here I want to plot on discount. Similarly, y equal to variable which should be plotted on y-axis sales. Okay, discount is a one array I assign for x-axis. Sales is another array I assign for y-axis. So it create one scatter chart with the discount and sales. See, one discount and then sales. Plot title already we studied sales versus discount. X label discount offer. Y label sales and price. So I got one scatter chart. Let us check. 10 when I give 10% discount, I got 40,000 sales. Am I right? 10 and 40,000. When I give second week, I give 20% discount, I got 45,000 sales. In third week, I gave 30% discount. I got 48,000 sales. In fourth week, I gave 40% discount. I got 50,000. In fifth week, I gave 50% discount. I got 1 lakh. Is it clear? This is what scatter chart. Now let us study how to customize the scatter chart. How to customize the scatter chart. See, same thing. PLT.scatter, x equal to discount, x-axis, y equal to sales. This s equal to discount multiplied by 10. That will what will happen? Whatever value available in discount will be multiplied by 10. It will create new array. Okay, that array will be stored into S. S equal to discount star 10. That means values available in discount array multiplied by 10. That means 10 becomes 100, 20 becomes 200, 50 becomes 500 like this. This S means size of the point on chart. See, this size is very small. This size is very big. Why? The size is 10 into 10, 100. The size of the point is 20 into 100. Okay, sorry, 20 into 10, 200. This size is 50 into 10. That means 500 like this. Okay, I want to differentiate based on the point. Here, less number of sales. Here, more number of sales because 1 lakh. Here, 40,000 like this. So, yes means size of a point on chart. This color means red. All are red. See here, red. Line width, I want to make line width as thickness. Edge color equal to blue. See, the edge color is blue. Marker will be star. That is why we got star. Before we didn't get any star. We got only dot. Instead of dot, I want one star. With the red color, the line thickness of the star should be 3. The line color should be blue. Okay, that is what I meant. I hope this S equal to discount star 10 you can understand. Once again, repeat the same thing. Discount is a one array. It has 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. It is multiplied by 10, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. This is one array. This array is assigned to S. That means what? S means size of the point. For first point, size is 100. For second point, size is 200. For fifth point, size is 500. Rest of them same. Title, X label, Y label, show. Let me demonstrate the same thing in front of you. Then you can easily understand. So let me import Numpy as NP. Plot PFT. So I need to create 2 arrays, 2 NumPy arrays. 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, this is one array. Check first. So I created one Numpy array called discount with 5 elements 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. First, let me check up is correct. Same way, I need to create one more Numpy array. Here 40,000, 40,000, 48,000, 1 lakh. So I have two Numpy array. Okay. So I need to create one scatter plot from this to both are numerical. So plot dot scatter first. X-axis should be plotted with the discount. Y-axis should be plotted with the very simple. Okay. So nothing to worry. We will get one scatter plot. See it here. 10, 40,000, 20, 40,000, 30, 48,000 like this, 50, 40, this guy. Okay, we can add some title. That means what? Sales versus discount. X-axis, we can put X label. That means discount offered. Y-axis, Y dot Y label. Sales in rupees. Let me check. I got everything. Title, X label, Y label, everything fine. Okay. Instead of dot, I need star. For 10, I need small star. For 50, I need big star. Okay. How to customize? Let me copy the same thing. Here, first I need to adjust size. Before that, let me explain one thing. Here. Okay. So here we have discount. Am I right? Discount multiplied by 10. See it here. 10 becomes 100, 20 becomes 200, 30 becomes 300, 50 becomes 500. This is what I like to do. So instead of here, S equal to count multiplied by 10. That means what will happen? It will create one numpy array. It will store all the elements will be 100, 20, 30, 40, sorry, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Along with color, I want to change. Better we go one by one. See it here, small circle, here big circle. Why? Size I gave. Okay. Instead of color blue, I want to give red color. See it here, I got red color. Okay, like this, we can go one by one. So line width, I need to adjust. Before that, marker we can give. I don't want circle or dot. I want marker. Star. See it here, star, I got it. Line width, I need to increase. Line width equal to 3. Your line width I gave, but line color I didn't give. Edge color. You can give blue. Then you can see. Okay, now we can clearly visible. I think everything is clear. Okay, so now you know very well customizing scatters what we studied. Now you know very well how to create numpy array, how to create one scatter plot from numpy arrays. Okay, in same way, let us study how to create one scatter plot from data frame. Here first, let us create one data frame. You know very well, import pandas as PD, data frame equal to pd.dataframe. I created one data frame from numpy array. We have two arrays, discount and sales. This is row index, discount the sales. This is column index. First week, second week, third week, fourth week, fifth week. But the problem is we need this kind of data frame, not this kind of data frame. That means what? The discount should be x-axis, sale should be y-axis. This discount and the sale should not be row. They should be column. That means what? Row must be column, column must be row. That is transpose of data frame. See, df1 equal to df dot t, capital T. That means transpose of data frame. See, row becomes column, column becomes row. That these two rows become two columns. I hope it is clear. So now my data frame is ready. This is one numerical column. This is one numerical column. Discount numerical column should be plotted on x-axis. Sales numerical column should be plotted on y-axis. Okay, this is what my year. Let me check here. Very simple. Data frame 1 dot plot. Okay, kind equal to scatter. X equal to the column which is to be plotted on x-axis. This is discount. In same way, y equal to the column which is to be plotted on y-axis. That is sales. This is what we must know. Okay. Let me demonstrate the same thing also in front of you. First, I need to create one data frame from two array. So df1 equal, before that I need to import pandas as pd. Import pandas as pd. F equal to pd dot data frame. We need one list here, two numpy array. So let me check first. It's created properly. So I want to create one data frame from two numpy array I created. So this row index, instead of 0, 1, I want to give as index equal to, okay, first one is discount. Second one is sales. Let me check. That's also fine. Instead of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, I want to give first, second, third. It's column index. First, comma, second, comma, third, comma, fifth. Okay, let me check. First, everything fine. But I don't want this type of data frame. Column wise I need. What I can do? Transpose df1 equal to df dot capital T. Let me check. Now my data frame is ready. My data frame is ready. Okay. Now I need to create one scatter plot for this data frame. For this data frame, what I can do? Water kind I need to use. Yes, scatter. I need to use kind. Kind scatter. X should be the column which is to be plotted on x-axis. Here, discount. Same way, y equal to the column which is to be plotted on y-axis. I hope it is clear. Let me check. It shows some error. It should be data frame 1 because we changed df1 this data frame. Okay, let me check. There should be single quotes. Here also single quotes. Now it's clear, I think so. See it here, I got one scatter plot. 10 stand for 40,000, 20, 45,000, 30, 50,000, 40, 50,000, 50, 1 lakh. Okay, now you understand how to create one scatter plot from one data frame. Okay, so let me stop here itself. In next lesson, let us study something extra. Until then, Thank you, student. Have a nice good day. Bye bye. See you.